Hey everyone, welcome to our accordion blog tutorial series. In this episode, I will show you how to style accordion content. So let's try accordion blog in your page content. So you see the blog version loaded. You will see the lots more blog version under the blog version library. So let's try this, insert these blog versions. So you see the accordion block added with the accordion item. So let's duplicate this item. So you see the accordion with content, and let's try update the page and try refresh page on the front end, and you see the accordion content with a simple style. So let's try style the accordion content. Under the accordion block, you need to go to the content panel. Under the style tab, you will see you can add style for the accordion content. So in Add tab, you can add any style you want, like background color. Let's add the background color for the accordion content, and you see the background color added. Also, you can add a font family. So let's try add a font family. So you see the font family added. Also, you can add a hover style for the accordion content. Let's try add a background color. And you see the background color added for hover style. And let's try add a color property for the hover style. And you see the hover color added. Let's try update the page and try refresh page on the front end, and you see the hover style added and the accordion content style added. So you can also add the padding as well. So you see the padding added. Let's try update the page. Let's try refresh the page on the front end, and you see the beautiful accordion content style applied. So this way you can customize or apply style for the accordion content. I hope you love this. Thank you so much for watching.